Hey, it's Shelly. Okay, I have never seen anything like this. This was gifted to me. It's a pedicure tool. Okay, and I just charged it. It comes with a charger, so you can charge it. And it comes with several tools, and it has, you know, like this, and it has extra stuff that you can change it out and everything. Do you know what I think we need to do? I think we really need to put this thing to the test. All right, guys, it's Shelly. I got my daughter here in front of me who's going to let me mess with her feet. Okay, we got this thing, which is a scraper. And we got this thing's like a file. And then this thing here is a different kind of scraper thingy. And then I got this charged and ready to go. Okay. And then that one. And then this one. But her feet's not so bad. So I don't think she needs no scraper thing. So we're just going to play a little bit. She just got out of the shower. So that means her feet's nice and soft and clean. I think we need to get to that. Ooh, look at that light. We need to go work. Go work, baby. Heck yeah. How's that feel? I like this light. I actually have a light right above me, so this is a bright little light. And this thing here is so strong, it kind of will pull. Look at that. Oh yeah. So medium and high. Okay, feels good. And then if I wanted to, good. Hers don't need it. This is a scraper for some heavy duty stuff. But this here, I like this thing here. Needs to go over it kind of when you're done with it. Hers actually feels really smooth. Kitty cat, you want to be next? Better not. All right. Got some foot stuff done. Keep her feet nice and smooth and soft. And I just dusted it off, but you can always, you know. And then you can, this in here is more rougher than this one, so you can always switch it out and smooth it up if you want it as well. All right, guys, hope this helps.